Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos on YouTube. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is sign in with the account in which you want to upload videos. After that, you can see your profile icon on the top right. Tap on it. In the profile icon, you can see the YouTube Studio option. You have to tap on it. Now, you are redirected to the YouTube Studio. So, how can you upload the video? Take a look at the left side of my computer screen. Here are a few options: Dashboard, Content, Analytics. If you are redirected to another, then tap on this dashboard, and you will be redirected to the dashboard where you can upload your videos on YouTube. From here, you have to tap on this upload icon, which is on the top right. Here, you can do two things. You can choose a file from your PC by tapping this select file. Then, your PC gallery will open, and you can select your videos. The second way is drag and drop. I will do drag and drop. I will open my folder, choose a file, and let's drag it to YouTube and drop it here. The first thing to do is write the title of your video. Let me set this one. This title is automatically written because it was the title of my video on my PC. Now here is the option description. How can you write the description? No need to worry about it. You can use the ChatGPT to write the description. Move to the ChatGPT. And here, write the title of your video, and let the ChatGPT be used to write the description. The next thing is to scroll down. Here, you can upload the thumbnail for your video. Tap on it and select the thumbnail from your PC gallery. Here is the playlist you can create for different topics. If you have already made the playlist, tap on it and select it. Scroll down and explore some other options. Here is the option: Add tags. How can you add tags for the video? You don't have to write the tags by yourself. Just copy the title of your video like me, and go to this tool, Rapid Tags, and paste the title of your video. Tap on this search icon. It will generate tags for your video. As you can see, these tags are automatically generated. Now tap on this option and copy the text. Now let's return to our YouTube channel. Tap here and paste all the tags. So, as you can see, the tags have been pasted. After writing the description and uploading the thumbnail, tap on the next icon on the bottom right. You can also import an end screen from your video if you want to add an end screen. Also, you can add an external, like downloading it from the story block or the Envato element. After uploading, tap on this option next. Here, YouTube will check about the copyright claim, but no issue was found in my content. So, I am typing on the option next. And here is the last option: Private, Unlisted, Public, because I want to publish my video, so I am tapping on it after tapping on the option Public. You can also schedule your video by tapping on it. Now here, select the date and time for your video. Tap on this option Schedule. But if you don't want to, then tap elsewhere. And now you can see the schedule option has been changed to Publish. Now tap on this option, Publish. Then, your video will be uploaded on YouTube. So, it was the primary way to upload your videos to YouTube. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.